Yo, real quick before you scroll, let me call you out for a second because I know exactly what is going on. It is Tuesday, your energy dropped a little, your motivation is not the same as yesterday, and your mind is already trying to convince you to slow down, take it easy, maybe start again tomorrow, right? Yeah, that is exactly how people stay stuck, so listen carefully because this is the day that actually matters. Monday, everybody is hyped. Everybody is talking big goals, everybody is saying this is my week, but Tuesday is where the truth shows up. Tuesday is where discipline is tested. Tuesday is where most people fall off and go back to their old habits. So the real question is, are you one of them or are you different? Because nothing changed overnight. Your goals are still there, your dreams are still waiting, your future still depends on what you do today. The only thing that changed is your mindset, and that is the problem. Most people depend on motivation, and motivation fades every single time, but discipline, that is what keeps you going when you are tired, when you are bored, when you feel like nothing is working. And this right here, this moment, this Tuesday is your chance to build that discipline, because anybody can go hard when they feel good, but can you show up when you do not feel like it? Can you stay focused when nobody is watching? Can you keep moving when progress feels slow? That is what separates winners from everyone else. Look, success is not built in one big moment, it is built in small actions repeated every single day. Even when it feels boring, even when it feels hard, you keep showing up because every step forward counts, and it all adds up over time. So today, stop overthinking, stop waiting for the perfect mood, stop making excuses, and just execute. Even if it is one task, even if it is small, you get it done, because action creates momentum and momentum creates results. And once you build that rhythm, you become unstoppable. And let me tell you something real, if you quit on a Tuesday, you will quit on anything, because this is the easiest day to give up. This is the easiest day to say I will do it later. This is the easiest day to fall back. But that is exactly why you must win today. You must prove to yourself that you are not controlled by your feelings, you are controlled by your decisions. So make a decision right now that no matter how you feel, you are going to move forward, you are going to stay locked in, and you are going to keep pushing, because one strong Tuesday can change your whole week, and one strong week can start changing your whole life. So no more slowing down, no more excuses. This is your moment to show who you really are. Now lock in and go get it.